Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, I kept a little secret away from you guys. Just a little one. I'm gonna go to Europe. I'm going to Italy, we're gonna go to Rome, we're gonna go to Florence, we are going to go to Naples, we're gonna go to Lake Como, Milan, then we're gonna go to Cannes in France, then we're gonna go to Barcelona in Spain. Oof, girl, we got so much to do, and as in we, I mean me, David, David's family, my family. You'll see a couple familiar faces, and it is going to be lit. So if you guys haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and if you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Like I have a video every single week. Hey, let's get started because I have a shit ton of things to do and I don't have enough time. So let the crankety crank of my energy begin. If you guys are watching this right now, I am already there. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna post a lot of stuff on my Instagram. So if you guys haven't already checked out my Instagram, go ahead and follow your girl. I always keep my little @ down here. I went to Target and I took a little bit of footage there for the little travel size things I got, so I'm gonna drop it down here. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm packing. I have so much to do, like I'm kind of overwhelmed. It's my first time going to Europe and like I have an outfit planned out for every single day. You guys, my outfit, hold up, my Instagram is gonna be lit. Like the outfits I have ready, oof girl, you ain't ready. And my dress for the wedding, oof. Oh, and if you guys are like, what the hell are you talking about? We're going to Italy because David's cousin is getting married there, so yeah, so I'm gonna have all glamour. Oh my god, I have to pack my makeup. How am I gonna do that? Okay, this is kind of weird lighting, but I'm gonna go over what I got from Target. Now, first thing I picked up is some Listerine. None of this is sponsored. I just kind of wanna not only vlog, but help you guys out if like you're gonna go travel and you don't know what to take. Obviously, you need travel size things because if something is over 3 ounces, you cannot carry that in your carry-on and you have to put it in your luggage. So I'm gonna be gone for 2 weeks and I think travel size things are more than enough. This side of my face looks so weird because of the lighting. I'm gonna go this way. First thing I picked up is Listerine. Gotta keep everything fresh. People are always asking me, how are your teeth so white? I literally don't do anything but brush my teeth and I use the Crest 3D whitening toothpaste. I don't think this is the one I use. I use like the really strong one, like the white one, I think. Maybe it is this, I don't know. But got that toothpaste. I'm gonna pack my toothbrush, and then we got some deodorant, Clinical Strength Secret Deodorant. I am hella blind, I wear contacts, so gotta get that contact solution, and it comes with the little container because I need that every day. This was just because I needed gum, but I will take this with me. We got some Tresemme hairspray. This is all day humidity resistant. So I think I don't know if it's humid there. I don't know. It's my first time. So I'm kind of like up in the air. Don't really know what I'm doing, but like kind of making sure I look like I know what I'm doing. And then we got Caress Evenly Gorgeous with burnt brown sugar and keratin butter. Oof, that smells good. But I have a question. Why is it like a little bit empty? Like, do you guys see that? I didn't pay attention to that in the store, but I'm kind of concerned. Whatever. And then I picked up shampoo and conditioner. I never use this. I just picked it up because it looked pretty. Like, let's be honest. Packaging is literally the first thing that people are attracted to. Most people, including me. This is the Renewing Argan Oil and Morocco shampoo and conditioner. So that's lit. That's what I got from Target. I don't think I need anything else when it comes to like hygiene, I think. I don't know. I'll figure it out. So now I'm gonna pack. This is my luggage. I like set it on my bed and I literally just took this luggage out of the bag. It's new, so don't freak out in the comment section saying, oh my god, it's dirty, you're putting it on your bed. Oh my god, I'm scared. Am I doing this right now? Like, am I really packing right now? Like, this is weird. Okay, this is weird. Okay, can you guys see me? Oh my god, I'm too tall for this frame. Like, seriously? You guys, I'm horrible. Literally, it's nighttime now. I legit forgot to click my record, but that's because who's this? But that's because I was doing like things that I should have done a long time ago. Basically, this is what I totally recommend doing if you guys are going on a trip. Doesn't matter, any trip, you gotta do this. I write down basically where I'm going every single day and I pack accordingly, so I don't bring too much and I don't bring too little. I know what I'm wearing that day, and you keep a hold of this paper, and also on the back I write all the things I'm taking, like chargers, phone charger, camera charger, contacts, blah blah blah, and then keep that paper all the way until the end of the trip. And then when you're packing up again, make sure that you have everything on that list, so you will never lose anything, you'll never forget anything, and you will be all organized and ready to go. This was a little bit harder than I expected because honestly, I didn't think this through. Like, I didn't think my outfits through. I like remembered the things that I wanted to wear. Oh my god, this is gonna be so cute. This is gonna be so cute. Why does my face look so oily? Like, what? Anywho, side note, squirrel. And then tomorrow I need to go get my nails done with Mel, because Mel's gonna be on the trip too. So we're gonna go get our nails done, and then I need to get back home. Oh my god, I have so much to do. Like, wow. Something else that I so absolutely recommend doing is don't buy new clothes and then take them without checking if there's tags on them. Cut those tags off, those little strings, the excess things that you need to cut off. Cut that off at home, because trust me, when you're over there, you're like not thinking, oh my god, where are the scissors? Oh, I need to cut this. Oh, I'm running late. Da, da, da. Make your job easier. Just cut them at home. And look at that little mess we got going on right there. These are not even like all the tags, but shit, they're a lot. Some of these clothes I've had since like last year and haven't worn. Like, that's so bad. But I'm gonna make them really cute. So I'll see you guys back tomorrow with Mel at the nail salon. My neighbors are always lit. You hear that? Saturday morning, 11 a.m.
Bro, I had the worst dream last night.
Okay. You want to hear my dream? Jordan Woods was in my dream, and I was getting so mad at her for being a little like scandalous diva.
Wow.
And she was like explaining herself like as if she didn't do anything. I was like, hey guys, guess who I'm with? Mel.
Hey, I'm gonna keep my eyes on the road though, because
yeah,
we're not crashing today.
We want to be safe. So we're gonna go get our nails done, like I said yesterday. Don't mind me, I legit was in the shower washing my hair, like getting all ready, because I don't have time today whatsoever, so I'm looking a little frizzy, but it's okay. So we're gonna go get our nails done. I'm so excited. Can you believe we're going?
Too. I actually don't believe it, and I'm like not even packed either.
I'm like 60% packed.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm like 12% packed.
Oh shit. When you guys are watching this, we're already gonna be there. So yeah, we're actually gonna be at like the end of the vacation. So yeah, we're gonna go get our nails done, probably go do a Starbucks run, and yeah, we'll show you guys our lit nails.
Delicious, you looking scrumptious. I just wanna be inside. Feel emotion.
Look at that. That's my real nails, y'all. Don't believe me? Here's the proof. Bye. Hey.
Let's see mine.
Yep. Let's see them. Oof. Work and the pedicure.
Hey.
And the pedicure.
Hey.
Hey. Okay, y'all, we're back home. Also, I have total OCD, so I make sure to get like these little bags that you usually put your fruits and vegetables in when you go shopping. And I put my shoes in here so they don't touch other things in my luggage, because like those shoes go on the floor. So I don't know, I'm like super weird and OCD about things. So this is another little tip trick. For makeup, I have this cool organizer from Amazon also. It's basically like a storage, so I'm gonna put all my shit over here. And then there's also a place for your brushes. And then this compartment opens and you could put all of your palettes. It's like super deep until here. So you have all that. And then I'm gonna put this in there. And hopefully nothing will happen because it's pretty sturdy. It has a handle. It's all cool. All right. That's pretty much it. I'm going to show you guys when it's all packed and complete because I have a party to go to tonight. I know, horrible timing, but whatever. All right, guys. Voila. Looking a little bit more decent. It's actually the end of the night. It's almost midnight. My makeup has been on for like ever now. I'm actually going to fast pace the organization of my makeup organizer box thingy-majigger, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. I have so much more videos coming out in the near future, so look out for that. And thank you guys so much for watching again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.